Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear in the automotive world so you don't have to. In today's video, we're featuring what we're calling the best Ford bed bolts, the Gagsu 924-311 truck bed mounting bolts and nuts hardware kit. The Gagsu 924-311 kit is a full hardware solution designed to securely fasten your truck bed to the frame. Whether you're replacing worn-out original bolts or dealing with corrosion and rust, this is the direct replacement you need. In the box, you get a complete set of 8 bolts, 8 nuts, and 8 washers, and as a bonus, Gagsu includes extra parts to make installation smoother. The hardware is made from high-quality alloy steel and comes in a clean silver finish, offering both strength and durability. What makes this kit stand out is the upgraded bolt design. Instead of the OEM starhead bolts, Gagsu has moved to an inner hex design, which offers better grip during installation and significantly reduces the chance of the bolt stripping or slipping. Now let's talk build quality. Gagsu didn't cut corners here. These bolts and nuts are crafted from high-end alloy steel, built to handle the elements and resist corrosion over time. The threads are precise, the hex heads are solid, and everything meets or exceeds OEM standards. The inner hex design not only improves ease of use, but it also improves torque application, meaning these bolts stay tight and keep your bed secure, even on rough terrain. Dimensions-wise, the packaging comes in at 6.6 by 4.8 by 4 inches, and it's compact enough to easily store in your garage or truck toolbox. Each component feels substantial, and the hardware is designed for a snug, OEM-like fit. Installation is a breeze. This is truly a plug-and-play setup. Whether you're restoring an older Super Duty or just replacing some rusted hardware, this kit requires no special tools, just a standard hex bit or socket set. Because Gagsu replaced the starhead with a hex head, you don't have to worry about stripping bolts, which is a common issue with the OEM ones. These go in clean and stay locked. Customers report a noticeable improvement in bed stability after using this kit, especially if their old hardware was degraded. The whole installation process can be done in under an hour if you've got the right tools on hand. This hardware kit is specifically compatible with Super Duty trucks from model years 1999 to 2016. That wide range makes it a reliable go-to for a lot of truck owners. Gagsu also backs their product with a lifetime warranty, which is impressive at this price point. If something goes wrong, whether it's an issue with fit, function, or failure over time, they offer full support and replacements. They also encourage buyers to reach out with compatibility questions, which is a nice touch if you're unsure before purchase. So there you have it. If you're looking for an affordable, high-quality, and easy-to-install truck bed hardware kit for your Super Duty, the Gagsu 924-311 is hands down the best Ford bed bolts on the market today. For more automotive gear breakdowns and trustworthy product insights, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next one.